Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to send high quality video on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to send high quality video on WhatsApp, let's open up the WhatsApp app first on our phone and make sure the video which you want to send on WhatsApp is shot on high quality. So after making sure that the video is on high quality, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is a three-dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three-dotted icon and tap on the settings option available for us just above the switch accounts. Tap on settings, and over here you can see the storage and data option available for us just below the notifications. Tap on storage and data, and where it says the media auto download option available for us, tap on when using mobile data and disable the videos over here if you have enabled it or WhatsApp has enabled it for you. And after that, there is the when connected on Wi-Fi. Tap on it and this kind of interface will appear, and make sure the video is chosen over here. By this way guys, whenever you send a video through Wi-Fi, by making sure of this guys, whenever you send a video to your mobile data, your data will be compromised because it's the mobile data itself. And when you're on Wi-Fi guys, your videos or photos, whatever you send and download, will be of high quality and high speed. And with that being said guys, when you enable your video on when connected on videos, you will be sending and downloading your videos on high quality. And with that being said guys, this is how to send high quality videos on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.